Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon, Alibaba, Temu, AliExpress. If you want to get these products. This is a laptop holder. We've got this wipe you can use for cleaning your hands. This is a sanitizer. This is a cream you can use for your hands. We've got this beautiful tool. This is a tool you can use for your back. We've got this clipper you can use for eating food. We've got this small wallet where you can save your papers. And we've got this tool you can use for massage for your neck. This is another apartment. This is the package. She's gonna unbox these products. We've got this electric plastic top you can use for massage. We've got this plastic closet you can use for organizing your sandals. This is a shoes dryer. We've got these items you can use for your door handle. You can use for the floor. We've got this mop you can use for mopping the floor. This is a small tool you can use for brushing off your clothes. We've got this tool you can use for your feet. And this is a small grinder. This is an electric pan. We've got this small washing machine. You can also dry your clothes using this tiny washing machine. We've got this bag you can use for drying up your clothes. This is a plastic shelf you can use in your bathroom. We've got this organizer you can use for your clothes. It's really helpful. You can use it in your closet. This is a small wallet where you can put your remote control and other small items. Plastic shelf. This is a small mop you can use for cleaning your mirror. With this small brush you can use for cleaning the corners. The nets, they're really cool. This is another small washing machine. It's really convenient. You can also dry your clothes. I've got this bathroom, and this is another flower you can use for brushing off your bed. We've got this small tool you can use for your mobile phone. This is another beautiful apartment.